Good morning, this is Shanker, and my story is about predictive astrology and small things which are very important, which I've learned through research. I keep telling you, Moon in 12th house. Moon in 12th house makes Mars very strong while it spoils Mercury and Ketu. When Moon in 12th house, what happens to Mars in the first 11 houses? Moon in 12th house, Mars in first house. So Moon is standard. Has to be in 12th house. Then you analyze the aspect of Mars. Mars in first house will make you a strong personality, make you win the government. Mars in second house will make you a very good, will be good for your family, especially good for finance, accumulated wealth. Mars in third house, good for your brothers, good for your courage. Mars in fourth house, good for your mother, good for the brothers of your mother, as well as it will be very good for your brother, the brother of your father. So these two relatives will do very well. Mars in fifth house, when Moon is in 12th house, it will be very good for children. Mars in sixth house, when Moon is in 12th house, would be very good for doing day-to-day activities, for doing things which are related to the field of medicines, and making a name for yourself in terms of your courage, in terms of your service to people. Mars in 7th house, when Moon is in 12th house, makes you a rich person. I mean, you'll ask for water, you'll get milk. I mean, that is the kind of power. When Moon is in 12th and Mars is in 7th house. When Moon is in 12th house, Mars is in 8th house, it makes you a very intuitive person, makes you to stack a lot of money, which is in the form of paper. Today we call it paper, bonds, investments, etc. It will give you a good amount of inheritance. It will be very good for the family of your wife. Mars in 9th house, when Moon is in 12th house, will make you fortunate, make you lucky, make you go ahead in life, walk with your head high. It will be also good for your parents and for your other seniors in the family who are there, your chacha, taus, it will be good for them also. Mars in 10th house, when Moon is in 12th house, makes you a very courageous person. You have a lot of difficulties, but you will be able to overcome those difficulties with smile, grace, and move ahead. It's a very important combination for entrepreneurs. So Moon in 12th house and Mars in 10th house is very good. Moon in 12th house and Mars in 11th house is a very, very rare combination, and try it out. When Moon is in 12th house and Mars in 11th house, you will never win a case. Even if you've done wrong, I mean, you will be acquitted. Cases will be in favor of you. People will talk for you in favor of you. So you will win a case. So when Moon is in 12th and Mars in 11th. Moon in 12th and Mars also in 12th is an excellent combination for a lot of wealth and a lot of expenses. You can only do expenses when you have wealth. So you earn to spend, you don't borrow to spend. So Moon and Mars in 12th house again is a very a good combination to have. These are the various small things which are there, but it will also be positive in other aspects also. So Moon in 12th and Mars in other houses will be very good. That is the bottom line. Try it out, let me know about it. And with this, I sign out. You want to know about me, please go to my website, shankerastro.com, Shanker with the E, and a lot of research and a lot of books, articles, etc. are there which you would like. Thanks, and bye for now.